Welcome guys, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I am in the Treasure Beach area. Yeah man, so I'm giving a walk through. Now say after Melissa hit some areas in Jamaica, just giving an update. Yeah man, you can see how I go on. Remember them area we used to walk on the walk go to the beach. Get to realize them area kinda block off. So I try to reach down to the beach section though, you know. I try to reach. I don't know if I can reach, but I'm trying. Yeah man, I try to go down from the beach section and see how I go on. Some great damage take place over here, so man, see it? Whole heap of building them move. There's some crazy thing take place in here, so, you know? Them place I used to walk come or something, man, but the place in a mess. Bad condition. Morning. Yeah man, place in a bad condition, so. Yes, we happy ground, come a beach on a Sunday, enjoy ourselves, but a lot of things change. Dynamics of the storm mash up a lot of places now. Treasure Beach. And a whole lot of places get mashed up. That's where I go on. So it's not nothing normal with people on the beach side. No, so I know the location, you know, so big up for yourself and thanks for watching. I'll show you what I go on to the beach, you know. One love and one out with people. Yeah man, me there Jakes. Yeah man, me there Jakes, so you can see what I go on to the beach. Giving an update same way after Hurricane Melissa affect some areas. I don't know if Jakes still in operation. I don't know the damage because I know don't really want to go on their private property like that, so yeah man, so I go on. Remember them old school there? Yeah man, still alive, living colors. So I take a walk to Jack Sprat. Yeah man, Jack Sprat. For sure, I see the sign them say them still open. That is in the Jack Sprat area. So you can come at Jack Sprat, you can come eat on a steamed fish. Anything you want to eat. So guys, welcome to Jack Sprat. See the sign there? Now open. Yeah man, so see the sign there? Up and running. Same way. I don't know what the damage they get over that side, but I'm gonna take you all over there and see what happened. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See this sign there, dirt. Look, I remember this staging area. Yeah, man, remember that staging area. Could have come take some beautiful pictures. Yeah, man, there's no more staging area. Scotiabank machine. I see where them still operating, so you can come see them. We can have a steam fish. You know, so yes, one of the hot spots in a Treasure Beach. So you still can come and enjoy a lunch or dinner. Alright? Yeah, man, still can take on a visit here same way. A lot of people love St. Elizabeth, you know. Me love St. Elizabeth, so here's one of my stopping ground, you know. Remember that pretty sign here, take the pictures.